Now let's build a simple interest calculator. Now once again, before we build anything, what we want to do is know what we have to use. See, we have to know what we are going to be using to build that particular thing, right? So for simple interest, we need a principal, we need a rate, uh, we need a rate, and we need time. You understand? Yes. Now this is how I want you to be writing your code, right? So this is what we need. So principal, rate, and then time. These are the variables you see. And then finally, we want to be printing out our simple interest like this. Yes, so I don't know if you can see. So yes, this is the formula for simple interest. So for simple interest, it is the principal times the rate times our time divided by 100. That's how we can get our simple interest. So we are going to write out the formula in our bracket. So we say principal times rate times time, and then we take over 100. Now again, this is very mathematical. We need all of our values. So we are doing float division. We need our decimals. We need all the details. I mean, ideally, calculations like this are going to be used in finance. You understand? Yes. So we need all of our inputs. We need all of our information like that so that we don't make mistakes in our financial decisions. So now let's say our principal is 5,000, right? So, and then our rate is for 5 years. Yes, assuming time is in years, of course. Why not? Assuming time is in years. So assuming we have a principal amount of 5,000, right? And now we also have a rate of 5%. And then for time, let's say we have 3 years. Yes, now we can come over here and then we'll be able to compute our simple interest. You see. So now the only thing we have to do is this whole operation has been evaluated to these variables. Yes, again, we are speaking to the importance of variables, right? So we are just going to come down a notch and then we are going to print. Again, we are going to use our strings. So we print simple interest, make it like this. Yes, so when we are printing this, we can write simple interest is now this is a string, and now we can return the actual variable itself. Very simple. Let's get rid of that nonsense. Okay, so this is a structure that you need to have. I'm about to verify that this worked. So now, at this point, if you have been following along very closely, you can just run. Yes, and you can see that our simple interest is 750. Yes. So if we put down 5,000 at the rate of 5%, preferably increment, over 3 years, we are going to get a 750 increase. We are going to get a 750 increase. Yes. So now that's a simple yes. Now a final check. Let's increase our principal to 10,000, and ideally, as the principal increases, our simple interest will also increase because they are directly proportional. Yes, so we can see that our interest will increase very greatly, very substantial if we increase our amount. Yes, so that's a simple interest calculator in Python.